Good. Now, on the video here, you're going to see that you're very good. You're very upright. There's a little bit of a backward lean. I don't mind that. I'd much rather that than have you forward. Good. Lift the chin. Good. Lift the upper chest. Excellent. And you look very tall and very stretched. I'm just going to get you with the sun on you one more time. And you're allowing your body to swing. Now, the lower leg you'll see in the video here has the toe towards me though. So now, keeping that lovely stretched upper body, take the lower leg and heel out, toe forward. And just do a little bit of a legs away. Loosen your legs from the thigh down. Yes, and then try to get your knee inwards. And if you think your toe in, it helps. So twist your whole leg the right way. Good. Better there. Toe in, heel out. Just wiggle it a few times so you go purposefully pigeon-toed. Good. Meanwhile, keep the upper body. Now you'll notice while we weren't concentrating on the video, your head started to drop. This is good. Well done. Good. Right, I'll stick this on email to you later.